Hey, Paul Hernandez here, and I wanted to share with you a simple, inexpensive solution that I came up with to help block outside noise from coming into my home voiceover studio. I'll show you around real quick. I've got the Harlan Hogan VO1A microphone with pop shield there, and on the walls I've got this foam bedding that I picked up at Goodwill, and it was like $5 a roll. It's not pretty. I've got all kinds of different colors on the wall, but it really works to help deaden the sound so that I can get a nice, clean, dry recording. And then over here, you can see I've got this window. It's a 4x4 window, and when the kids are playing outside in the neighborhood or my neighbors are mowing their lawn, you can really hear the noise come in. So what I did is I came up with this thing right here. This is a plug that goes into the window. I had a friend of mine who built a home office, and he put this stuff behind the drywall. This is a soundboard you can pick up at Home Depot for about $12, I think. It's a 4x8 sheet. My window's a 4x4, so I cut it in half, glued it together, and on the front side put this foam bedding again that I picked up at Goodwill. As you can see, I've got a little handle that I built for it here, a little rope handle that goes on the bottom. So what I do basically is I shove it in this window, and then the back side I've got the foam bedding, so it really gives me a nice pristine kind of a sound in here, and it blocks out a lot of the noise. It's not foolproof, but it's a pretty decent solution, and it cost me $20. If you're looking to really spruce up your studio, and this is temporary for me right now because we're going to be moving at some point here soon, I want to really do the studio up right. But check out my friend Paul Strickwerda's site. I met him online via Facebook, a lot of the social network sites. He's a great guy, and he's done a lot of research on soundproofing your studio on a tight budget. His website is nethervoice.com, and he's written, I think, 3 blogs now on this subject. So check it out. Hopefully this has been helpful to you.